This is a tutorial on how to submit work for your student directly onto Google Classroom using your phone. So first, please make sure that you have Google Classroom downloaded from your Play Store or your Apple App Store. Then, once that's done, we'll go to Classroom and open, and we'll see that it hasn't been started yet. So we'll click Get Started. And if you do not already have your student's account added to your phone, we'll click Add Account. Once it's done loading, you'll clear the pre-filled link here and fill out your student's email. In your case, that would be first name, last initial, or for example, mine would be calebr@shawgn.org. Then you'd click Next and enter the password that's been provided to you by your teacher for elementary school, and for middle school you will have to get it from your child. Next. Then we'll agree. Once it's loaded, you'll see that I have 3 classes here. You'll go to the class that you need to submit work. So we'll say I'm going to submit work to kindergarten, and I have math homework to submit. We'll click here, and down at the bottom you see an arrow pointing up right here. All you want to do is swipe that up, and you now see we have the choice to add an attachment. We'll click Add Attachment and select Take a Photo. Now all you have to do is take a photo of your child's work, and then if it's satisfactory, you'll hit OK. Now if your child has more than one page that needs to be added, we'll go to the next page once it's done loading. And we'll click Add Attachment again. Take a photo, and just keep on taking the pictures. So that's my second page, okay. Once it loads, you'll just continue to do that. Add attachment, and keep adding pages. Once that's done, we'll hit Turn In. It'll make sure that you're ready to turn it in, and you'll just click Turn In. Now, once that's done, your teacher will get a notification that you submitted your work, and you're all set for that assignment. If you notice that you messed something up, you can always click Unsubmit. You'll click Unsubmit, and either clear what you added or add another page if you forgot to add that page. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your teachers or the admin staff. Thank you.